FLORA now connects directly to Google Drive. Import assets to the canvas, server to server, build out, and export them back to your drive without downloading anything locally. Here's how it works. Double-click anywhere on the empty canvas to access the export node. Click on Connect Google Drive and a login window will show up. Authenticate it one time with your Google account, and FLORA holds the connection from here. Head over to your asset library on the left side of the canvas, navigate to the Google Drive tab, and click Import to pull in assets. Search your folders and files and select them. You can drag them into your canvas once they populate the library. Build out your workflow. Once you have the final results, add an export node. Pick your destination folder on your drive and connect all the nodes you want to export to it. You are able to manage all the connected nodes. Click Focus Node to navigate through each of them. Export all of them by clicking the Sync button on the top. Once the job is done, a small notification will pop up at the top of the canvas with a button that will take you to your drive. Your finished work is now ready for handoff. When you're done, you can disconnect anytime by clicking the drop-down menu on the top toolbar. Click Clear Destination, and there will be a red disconnect button. You can also head to the settings and find a disconnect option. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.